as you said, me, Mr. Silva, Papa Kwame Abuam Konseni. Today I've come to the palace of the Kotoku, the manhene. I came just to come and visit my family in Oda. But at the same time, I'm very fond of culture. I'm very fond of Yamamre Seminole. And so I sing music, I'm an artist in the UK. Now, so I'm me as a pioneer in the UK. What I say, so in Europe and UK on British Museum, I try me to book and so say, then I'm starting Afro culture. What I say. So today I've always had that interest to come and see how Yamamre Seminole is, where the king is, learning about the culture and how I can incorporate that culture to what I'm doing in order for those I'm more outside. Some of us are more outside, and so I'm culture and my said a vessel and I'm a speaker and I'm an artist. My more outside, so I want to show them your culture so they should always remember to come home. At the same time, the day that I came, it's funny enough that is the day said. Yesterday, we got to Koforidua, and the court case of all the situation of 26 years has come to an end. And I just find that it's really good that I'm able to see and witness this day and be here and introduce myself to my uncle who is there, the manhene, to see that and gather his blessing as well with the music that I'm doing. That I can also show that Kotoku man, you were this beat now, or like he's big, he's outside, or you